Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. In the past, I've shared how to keep amaryllis stem straight and long-lasting. Today, thanks to my friend Neville MacKay, I want to show you how to make them curly and fabulous. So go back to the YouTube Tulip Tuesday playlist and you can see Amaryllis Karen Handley. Now you're going to see creative flair with amaryllis, starting with a stem, cutting the end, and then using clear waterproof tape. Go up about 5-6 inches and tape around, making a mark, and then clip, and you're ready for step 2. Now you're going to take your knife and just slice from the base of the tape down to the bottom. I'm not going all the way through, just into the hollow point. So I'm splitting it out. Do as many strips as you want. Rotating. Then when you're done, you can see it's already starting to flare. As you vase the blooms, make sure you have a big enough area so that they can curl and get beautiful. I used waterproof tape to support them, and you can see in literally hours, they're already starting to contort. This is one that I did a week ago, and you can see it just gets tighter and tighter and tighter until the blooms fade. Now you know how the pros and Neville MacKay add creative flair to their amaryllis.